This is Ben from Memberium, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a course homepage template. This template is going to help you get your learning site up as quick as possible with Memberium by taking out the work that you have to do in designing pages for your lessons and your courses. In past videos, we've already covered how to create your lesson pages, and now we're looking at how to create the course homepage. So first things first, you're going to want to have our support team install our page templates for you. Once they're installed, you're going to get a template called Individual Course Template, and that's right here. You won't want to edit that template directly, rather you're going to want to clone the template. So in order to do that, you're going to need a plugin that allows you to clone posts. The one I use here is Duplicate Post. It's here by Enrico. If you want to get this one, just come up to Plugins, press Add New. Right up here in the top, just search for Duplicate. The first thing that's going to come up is Duplicate Post by Enrico, and it has 3 million active installations, so it is trusted. Once you have that installed and you can clone posts, you can simply come here to the individual course template and press the clone button. And as you can see, it's created a new one for me right here. And what we'll do is we'll just press the edit button. We're not going to edit with Elementor just yet. We need to change just a couple of things. So the first thing that we'll change is the title. So I'm going to name mine Demo Course. And we're going to scroll down here to the content protection side, and I'm going to select my gold membership level. So here you would select your content protection settings that you require. In my case, I'm just going to require the gold membership, and that's it. So now I'll go ahead and save it as a draft just so those settings are saved, and we'll hop into Elementor. So when we come into Elementor, you're going to see that the title of the course and the page, that gets pulled in automatically, so it already says Demo Course. Right here, you'll insert a brief description of essentially what your course is about. You can even include, as it says, a few benefits. Really just some text up here explaining the course and possibly enticing people to sign up. Right over here on the side, you have an icon or an image, so you can just choose that straight from your media library. If you wanted a different image, you could simply do that, so I'll just insert that for now. Over here on the course sidebar, you can put a picture of yourself since, maybe you're going to be the course teacher. You could put more information, progress, bars if you want to implement a system like that through Memberium. There's various different things, so we've just included the sidebar here for you so that you can add more information. And lastly, the most important thing about this entire page is you want to give access to all your lessons that the user will have access to. So we have put in here a WordPress menu. So the way this works is you're going to need to set up a menu that has all of your lessons. We have not created this yet, so what we'll have to do is come over to Appearance and then Menus. Right up here at the top, press Create New Menu. We'll name this one Demo Course, and we'll create the menu right now. And what you'll do is you'll come over here to the pages and you'll, for example, add your page for the lesson 1. So in previous videos, we created this lesson 1 demo course page, so we'll drop that in right there. And we can just change the navigation label so it only says lesson 1. That's fine. Or if you wanted, you could customize that to put a title of the lesson. That's completely optional to you. And you would do this for all of your lessons, so you'd probably have more than one lesson. The cool thing here is that you can also do custom links. So maybe you wanted to just have a link that goes somewhere else. In my case, I'll just type in lesson 2, for example, since I haven't created all those pages. But you could even do something like additional resources and link that off somewhere else and have that in the menu. So we'll go ahead and save this menu now. It's called Demo Course here. And we'll come back over here. We'll edit this right here. And we're going to select the Demo Course menu. And as you can see, once we select that, the title here is being pulled right here, so you can say lessons. If you added more content, you could even change that, so like lessons and content, for example. And then you can see that right here it says lesson 1, 2, and then the additional resources. And these are the links that we created. When you're done, your page is going to look something similar to this. Of course, you can customize all the colors, fonts, whatever you need to do, and you'll probably add stuff to the course sidebar. But this is as simple as it is to creating your course homepage with the template. All of this is going to be pulled in dynamically from the menu, so you don't have to come back every time and update that. You'll just simply add, if you make new lessons or new content, you'll just simply add that to the menu, and this page will be automatically updated. If you have any questions about this, reach out to our support team, and I hope that you can use this to get your site up even quicker with Memberium.